As Hurricane Milton neared the Florida coast, many New Hampshire residents chose not to evacuate, some by choice, and others because they had no option. Claire Terrio, a former Concord resident who moved to the Sunshine State in 2001, said she has never experienced a hurricane like Milton before. I called my girlfriend back in New Hampshire and told her we don't have to go to work today because it's raining really hard. I really hadn't experienced serious stuff like this at that point, Terrio said. After learning from Hurricane Ian in 2022, Terrio decided to stay put even though she lives in an evacuation zone. We got hurricane straps put in. We paid extra. We have Category 5 windows. We have Category 5 garage door. And we have actually trapped ourselves in with Flex Seal and sandbags, Terrio said. Other Granite Staters like Danbury resident Lenny Ryan are waiting out the storm while on vacation. Ryan said his Disney World trip has been booked since December of 2023. We were kind of skeptical at first, should we stay home or not, but he said, "What the heck, let's go," Ryan said. With all the Disney parks now closed, Ryan and his family are stuck in Orlando, waiting for Milton to pass. Everyone prepared to hunker down and ride it out, Ryan said. People at home like Debbie Ford said she is worried about loved ones who can't evacuate. She and my uncle are actually disabled to be able to leave, Ford said. Her family will have to wait for the worst of Milton to be over. If I hear anything happens to them, the tear factor is going to start, Ford said. Reporting live here outside the WRMK News 12 studios, I'm Riley King.